Hey sweeties, welcome to my channel. So today I will be making some beachy jewelry that I will be making in hurry. This jewelry will take some time, but the next you will see in the last that you can make in 5 minutes. So I went to beach and I collected some seashells. Here I will be using those seashells for the jewelry. I also had some bead charms that I will use in between. Firstly, I will be making a hole, so this will not be easy. You will break a lot of seashells like I did as well. Basically it is a ratio of 70 ratio 30. You will break 30% of the seashells and 70% you will be successful in making holes in them. So I recorded the video of only the one I broke. These ones I was successful in doing this. These are the ones that broke and were not successful. Next I will be adding jump rings. So I will be adding jump rings in all of these at a time. You will be opening the jump rings and just put it inside the hole and just lock it. So guys, you can use silver chain and jump rings as well if you have silver charms. I had golden charms, so I will use that. And guess what, I found these seashells and they already had holes in them, so I thought of using them in the mid, and thank god I thought, because they looked super cute. So here I'm taking measurement of my hand and I will cut the chain accordingly with a tool. If you don't have this, you can also use scissor. So I will be taking one for the necklace and one for the bracelet. If you have more seashells, I had less seashells, so I will be making only one bracelet. If you had more, you can make more as well. So firstly I will divide the chain into the half to put the mid seashell inside it. This is how I will put it. Now you will see the transition because the process is same. You will put all the seashells in the same way. So now the bracelet is done. At one point I will be adding one seashell and the other side I will be adding lobster lock. So next we will be making the necklace and the process is again same. So let's see the transition. And this is how it will look, how aesthetic, like I'm loving its vibe. So in the next video I will be making these bracelets as well. These will take only 5 minutes. So let's jump on to the next video. In this I will be making these beachy hair accessories. So for this we need these charms and a wire. You can use thick wire because thick wire will stay at its place. I applied it on my daughter's hair and it stayed all day. I just took them off myself. So this is how we will make rounds to the wire and we will be cutting it with the help of a tool. So this wire will be a bit difficult to cut it with the scissors, so for this you need a tool. Else if you can do it with a scissor as well. So this is how we will cut it. Next we will be start putting these charms inside it. And okay, there are two ways. One is that you can secure it with the help of these beads. That I think is not necessary because we have to apply it on the braid, so it will go as such and it will not hurt the kid as well. So it looked very cute. You can see she played all day and it stayed on her head. So now this is the jewelry I made in 5 minutes. The last one I also made in a hurry. We were going to the beach, so I made it I think, and it totally took me 10 to 15 minutes to make all these. So firstly we will be putting a jump ring and we will be tying the knots, and now I will start putting the beads. You can also put one bead, one charm, but I liked it as such, so I'm doing this way. So now after attaching the lobster lock, the bracelet is ready to go in your hand. How cute it's looking. So next we will be making these two bracelets that I'm making for my daughter. I will be using these charms. So guys, if you are watching my video till now, that means you are liking it. So guys, please give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe if you want to see some more such videos, and do tell me in the comment section that what type of videos you want me to make, what DIYs you want me to make. This gives me a motivation, this gives me a path that what you people are liking, I should do that for you. So this is how we will be making this bracelet. It's so easy. You have to just put all these, although it looks a bit difficult to put all these, but once it will be done, it will be worth it. So guys, do subscribe and bye.